In this video, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube Shorts with ChatGPT, Pictory, and another Hey tool. This can also be used for your TikTok and Instagram Reels, as they all follow the same format. We'll start with ChatGPT and make this request. Give me 10 lists of topic ideas for YouTube Shorts in the self-improvement niche. And it goes, sure, here are 10 lists of topic ideas for YouTube Shorts in the self-improvement niche. So for each of these 10 lists, it gives us an idea, explains what we can share on the topic, and provides 2 headlines, which is more than what I asked, and that makes it interesting. Now for the script, I'll say, write a 60 seconds article on this topic. I will choose one of these topics and drag it here. Then, I will provide more context to it by saying, make each paragraph short and to the point. Start with here are, keep it less than 1,000 characters. So it follows the prompt and replies, here are 5 time management hacks for busy people. I can check it to see the number of characters. And as usual, it goes above it a bit. You can edit this or keep prompting it to shorten it, because most short videos of 1 minute will usually be less than 1,000 characters. But let's move on and copy and paste this to a doc. I will format it to include numbers, since that won't be copied from ChatGPT. The next step is to create the video, and the tool we will use here is called Pictory. You can sign up to use it for free in the description below if you don't have an account. You can then proceed with the first block and paste your script here. To make things easier for the captions, I will break this into shorter lines, and each line will represent a scene. This will avoid your viewers staring at a scene for too long. You then have to click on the scene settings and choose line breaks at the drop-down. Then click Proceed. You will have to choose a template, and Pictory has a lot of them, but this red ink is my favorite. Then we have to choose the aspect ratio of 9:16, which is the format for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Click on Continue, and Pictory will generate the scenes and video clips for you. When it finished loading, you can see the script on the left side, broken into different lines the way I've set it up. You can click each scene to look at the clips, and if you want to change a clip, click on the Visuals tab on the left bar and search for a related keyword. If you find a video clip you like, simply click on it and it will change the current clip. You can click on another scene at the bottom and change the clip if it isn't related. And because most of the videos on Pictory are in wide format, you may need to drag the video left or right to get the main subject. Now, I'll go ahead to repeat the previous step for other scenes that aren't correct as well. I've done that, and the next step is the caption. If you don't know, caption is so important in a short video, as some people do play these types of videos while muted. So click on the text and go to the window icon on the top to change the position to middle. Then click on the color and change it to the one you like. For this, I'll change the background color to black and also the highlight color to blue. You may also change the animation to something more interesting like that of the typewriter. And also the exit animation to slide down. And for these changes to reflect on other scenes, you must click on Apply to All. The next step is to add the voiceover. Go to the Audio tab on the left and click on Voiceover.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
You can play around with these voiceovers. And as I said in my last video on making YouTube videos with Hey, this is completely fine to use. However, I think the next tool sounds more human than this. The tool is called Murf.hey, and you simply need to create a new project, and start from a blank space. Paste your script in this box and choose Split by Sentences. You can click on the avatar to listen to different voices, including male and female of different accents.
It only takes one voice.
Thank you for enrolling. This e-learning system presents you with course present.
Welcome to your first sales training video. This video is the first in a series of 5 videos about Sales Zen, our sales manager.
Are you ready for retirement and need a predictable plan starting today? Flow Investments can help.
Let's go with this. You must check this box to apply the voice on the entire script. Then you should click the play button to generate the audio.
Here are 5 time management hacks for busy people. 1. Use the Pomodoro technique. Break your workday into 25-minute intervals with a 5-minute break in between.
Now, if you notice, the audio is 1 minute and 9 seconds, which is longer than 60 seconds a YouTube short must be. You can either edit the text, which means you must edit it on Pictory as well, or change the speed of this audio, or find another voice that can talk faster. But let's save it like this and go back to Pictory. Go to the Upload tab and drag your voiceover here. Click on Entire Video to apply the voiceover on the whole video.
Here are 5 time management hacks for busy people. 1. Use the Pomodoro technique. Break your workday into 25-minute intervals with a 5-minute break in between. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a 15 to 20-minute break. This technique helps increase focus and productivity, leading to overcommit. Learn to prioritize your own needs and say no to non-essential tasks. 4. Set.
You can also control the background music here on the first tab and reduce the volume on the audio settings. And when you are done, click on Export and wait for Pictory to generate your video. Once this is done, you can download your video as an MP4 file. Then you can watch the finished video.
Here are 5 time management hacks for busy people. 1. Use the Pomodoro technique. Break your workday into 25-minute intervals with a 5-minute break in between. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a 15 to 20-minute break. This technique helps increase focus and productivity. 2. Prioritize tasks. Make a to-do list and prioritize tasks by importance and deadline. This helps ensure important tasks get done first and prevents last-minute rushes. 3. Learn to say no. Busy people often have trouble saying no, leading to overcommitment and time management issues. Learn to prioritize your own needs and say no to non-essential tasks. 4. Set boundaries. Turn off notifications during work time and establish boundaries with colleagues and family. This helps prevent distractions and ensures more focused work time. 5. Delegate. Don't try to do everything yourself. Learn to delegate tasks to colleagues or family members when possible. This helps reduce workload and frees up time for more important tasks.
So this is how you can make YouTube shorts using ChatGPT, Pictory, and Murf.